Today is the day everything changes. And you wonder why nothing feels good anymore. There is a reason. It is called dopamine. And you have been spending it faster than you can earn it. Dopamine is not the pleasure chemical. It is the pursuit chemical. It is what makes you want things. What makes you get out of bed. Every time you scroll, snack, binge, or scratch that itch for a quick hit, you spend dopamine you have not earned. And when the real moment comes, when you need to focus, to work, to show up, the tank is empty. There is nothing left to pull from. This is why you cannot focus. This is why the smallest task feels heavy. This is why you feel dead inside at 23. The good news is your brain can heal, but not while you keep feeding it garbage every 10 minutes. You need what neuroscientists call a dopamine reset. A stretch of time where you stop hijacking your own reward system. No social media before noon. No music while you walk. No podcasts while you eat. Let your brain be bored again. Boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the signal that your baseline is coming back. And once it does, you will feel something you have not felt in years. You will feel like doing hard things again. This is where discipline comes in. And discipline is not what most people think it is. Discipline is not feeling motivated. Motivation is a mood. It comes and goes. Waiting for it is a trap. Discipline is doing the thing when the mood is gone. Especially when the mood is gone. The people you admire are not more motivated than you. They just stopped negotiating with themselves every morning. They decided once. Then they stopped deciding. That is the whole secret. That is all of it. Every time you renegotiate a decision, you spend willpower. Every time you hold to it without thought, you build identity. You are not trying to become someone who works out. You are trying to become someone who does not skip. There is a difference. Start smaller than feels serious. 2 push-ups. 1 page. 5 minutes. The size does not matter. The streak does. Because on day 30, you are not the person who tried. You are the person who kept going. And that person can do anything. The person you want to become is not somewhere in the future. He is watching you right now, deciding whether you are worth becoming. Stop asking how to feel motivated. Motivation is a lie sold to people who have not decided yet. Ask instead who you want to be in 5 years. Then do what that person would do today. Not tomorrow. Start today. Because tomorrow is where dreams go to die. And today is the only day you have ever actually lived in. So close this. Put the phone down. And go do the thing you have been avoiding. That is where the life you want begins.